Hello everyone and welcome to class of networking and content delivery. Today in our class we are going to discuss about this. So in AWS management console we have networking and content delivery. Under this we have VPC, CloudFront, Direct Connect and Route 53. Today we are going to discuss about what networking and content delivery is. We have multiple networking products which enables users so that they can isolate cloud infrastructure. They can change their request handling capacity. These products work together to meet the need of a application. Like we have various services in networking and content delivery. We have Amazon VPC, which is virtual private cloud. It isolates cloud resources with your own virtual private network. Amazon CloudFront, it delivers user content through a worldwide network of data centers. We have AWS Direct Connect. It is a dedicated network connection between your network and your VPC. We have Amazon Route 53. It is highly available and scalable cloud DNS to connect user requests to your AWS resources. So, we have VPC, CloudFront, Direct Connect, and Route 53, which are in networking and content delivery. So, it enables users so that they can isolate their infrastructure, they can handle their request capacity, and many other features. So, let's discuss about very first, which is VPC, which is a virtual private cloud. VPC is basically networking layer for Amazon EC2. It allows you to build your own virtual network within your AWS. That means within Amazon Web Services, we can build our own virtual private network. So it can control various aspects of Amazon VPC, like we can select our own IP address range, we can create subnets, we can configure route tables, network gateways, and security settings. Within a region, we can create multiple Amazon Virtual Private Cloud. And each virtual private cloud is logically isolated even if they share the same IP address range. So it is a web service which is used to launch AWS resources in a private network. We call it as virtual private network. It is highly secure network formation. So whenever we create our VPC, we require to specify IP address range. So let's discuss more about this. So it is used to launch AWS in a virtual resources in a virtual network. So this virtual network closely resembles with traditional network that operate in a data center. So whenever we require to create a VPC, we must specify the IP address range by choosing a CIDR, which is classless interdomain routing block. So we have EC2 classic network and we have EC2 VPC. In EC2 VPC, which is Elastic Compute Cloud Virtual Private Cloud, we can use cloud service, we can create a virtual network and we can launch our AWS resources in that. So other than this, we can select IP address range as we had discussed. We can create our own subnets in this. We can configure a route tables. We can configure network gateways and security settings. So this is a highly secure network, and Amazon Virtual Private Cloud has a benefit of using scalable infrastructure on AWS. That means as per our requirement, we can create a network and we can use that network. So under networking and content delivery, that means these are various the services which give us an isolated cloud infrastructure. Under this, we have very first as virtual private cloud. So how to create a VPC, we can discuss in our practical class. Thank you so much.